everyone, AMHCosplays here, and I have a special unboxing to do. It's special because this box comes from Mehron Makeup. Now, if you follow my cosplays, you know that I use a lot of face paint for characters such as She-Hulk, Harley Quinn, Joker, Moaning Myrtle, Amethyst, Smurfette, Salem, the face paint for my Sith. Yeah, a lot of Mehron Makeup, and they're kind enough to reach out and offer a wonderful gift box. So let's see what's inside. Oh, let's start off with this. A 3-piece brush set. Oh, I can always use brushes. This is awesome. Cool. Sealer, and I use that a lot. Yeah. Setting powder. Yay, because mine's almost empty, so this is awesome. We have mattifying skin toner. Oh wow, okay, this is new for me. I guess that'll make things less shiny and help the makeup stay on longer. Yay! Oh boy, it's a palette. I love paint palettes. You see the colors there? Wow, it's brown, green, yellow, white, black, red, blue, orange. Oh, excellent, because I use a lot of these colors. Awesome. Oh, look at that. It is a cream blend stick in pink, pastel pink. Ooh, you know, that's actually going to come in very handy soon. Not telling you why though. And yellow. Oh, I have thoughts for that one too. And pastel orange. Oh, last thing in the box. Cream blend stick, and oh, pastel green. Awesome. Did I mention I use a lot of Mehron Makeup? Pastel blue. Oh, and I have a cosplay for these two. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, that's excellent. Last one. Here we have pastel purple. Oh, I can use that for Amethyst. Wow, this is awesome. Okay. 6 paint sticks, mattifying skin toner, setting powder that I use a lot of, and the setting spray, a new palette, that is awesome, and brushes. Wow, believe me, I am pretty much going to be using all of this for my cosplay. And if you have a character that you want to cosplay that requires body paint of some sort, consider Mehron, because it is by far the best product that I have found for body and face paint. It stays on, lasts a long time, and it washes right off with soap and water. So thank you so much, Mehron Makeup. I love this. I love this. And it's always a pleasure to be using your products. Thanks very much for watching.